How to help a pumpkin grow. Dig it, spade it, seeds to sow. Keep seeds warm, protect from snow. I want to help a pumpkin grow. Fence them, guard them, they're so slow. Keep them safe from hungry crow. You want to help a pumpkin grow? Feed them, weed them, start to show. Leaves above and roots below. You want to help a pumpkin grow? Drench them, quench them, let it flow, watering up and down the row. You want to help a pumpkin grow? Twine them, vine them, watch them go, filling up the garden, whoa! You want to help a pumpkin grow? Pick them, stack them, overflow, room for any others? No! We have helped these pumpkins grow. Roast them, toast them, roll out the dough, perfect pies all in a row. So glad we made these pumpkins grow. Scoop them, scrape them, carve just so, place them in the candles show. Now we've made our pumpkin glow.